In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily allow Facebook app access to photos on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Settings. Then scroll down and tap at Privacy and Security. Then tap at Photos, and in that list you can easily find the Facebook app. And in order to allow photos access for the Facebook app, you have to switch it from None to All Photos or to Selected Photos, and that will open up your camera roll. From here you can select some specific photos, and once you hit at Done, that will give the access to Facebook app to that particular photos that you have selected. But I recommend you to set it to All Photos. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.